Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. In studio, we've got Chef Anthony, who's making this. It's some strawberry ice cream, and of course, that's just in time for summer, and Nick's forecast doesn't look too good, so we're gonna need lots of ice cream.
Oh, yes. See, one of my favorites is jalapenos and strawberries. And jalapeno and pineapple ice cream, a little bit of heat, a little bit of sweet. Yeah.
Jalapeno ice cream. Now, that's something different. That is something different that I just might have to try at some point. That sounds interesting.
It's very good. It's easy to do. So we mixed all of our ingredients earlier today, and that is 2 cups of cream, 2 cups of milk, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, flavoring of your choice. We use the Amoretti brand flavorings for everything that I do in my classroom because they are simple, they're clean, they're pure, and you can get all sorts of stuff. They have a jalapeno puree that will flavor anything and it won't freeze hard. They have, for those who drink coffees in the morning, they do a lot of coffee flavorings. So you could put a couple pumps of toasted marshmallow into your coffee in the morning or your hot chocolate, whatever you use to get yourself up and going. So,
not a bad idea.
Anything baking wise, flavorings, they do a pineapple for a pineapple upside down cake. Mix it. Can't beat it. So I mixed all that together, put it in the ice cream machine, let it sit for a couple of hours, and here we go. I froze this one. After I take it out, I always put it in a nice big container and let it freeze overnight before I do anything with it. I think it just comes out a little bit better that way.
Oh, yeah.
So,
you want to make sure it's great by the time you eat it. You want it to be good.
Yes, I want those flavors to have a chance to mature. So making homemade ice cream, for those of you who do remember, it does have a little bit of a richer flavor to it because of all the fat from the cream that's inside there, which is definitely a plus. It's always a plus when you can add more flavors.
Oh,
so
absolutely.
Fat is flavor. So we're going to go through here, and it's not real hard, but it comes together really nicely. And it's so good. And top it with your favorite fruits. Don't cut the corner with it. Get a little bit of fresh fruit to go right along with it so that you can enjoy every bit of it.
And you're talking about all this fresh fruit. We were just talking about it. I mean, it almost looks like the fake fruit you can buy from the store just because it's so fresh.
This buying fruit like this from Martinez in one of their produce boxes, you get the fruit a few days before it even hits the shelves at Walmart, and then you don't know how long, if Walmart immediately puts it out or any of the other grocery stores, you don't know how fast they get it out.
Right.
So going to the supplier of a lot of those bigger organizations, it makes life real easy for you, and their stuff is really, really good. I love it. I can't get over the fact of everything is always so fresh. Everything always has a clean taste to it, and I've never gotten a bad piece of fruit from them.
Yeah, I mean, it looks so incredible. You can just eat the fruit itself.
Oh, yes, definitely. So what I've done is I've cut up a few strawberries. I cut some chunks that we'll decorate the top with, and I have some slices here, and we'll drop those right down into the side so that you can see them, and let you see what you think of that.
Okay, all right. This is strawberry homemade ice cream with some strawberries to top it off as I make a big mess here because I'm pretty good at that. Oh my gosh.
It's so good, isn't
That
it?
is phenomenal.
Clean, simple, pure flavors. You don't have to overdo anything. Keeping it light, keeping it clean will produce a really quality product. It's like our Dragon Greens Farms. All of we're hitting Farmers Market for the first time on Saturday, July 2nd. That's this coming Saturday. And all of our greens are grown hydroponically on site by students. And at $2 a dollar for 2 ounces, you cannot go wrong. This stuff is clean, it's crisp, it has flavors like you can't even imagine. There's no hold to it, and everything that we'll have Saturday was being harvested today.
Wow.
So we're going to harvest today, package tomorrow, sell on Saturday. You can't beat that flavor. We're re-innovating the idea of farm to school programming all across the state of Kansas, but we've taken it a step further to where it's not going to have to transport in. So we've cut out the carbon emissions required to get the product there, the fuel costs, we've done all that. It's a student walking across the parking lot.
Nice. Very nice. We've got more with Chef Anthony when we come back.